Yan.
But
Kasi
how
it's
much
real to
should
them.
you save kung walang umaasa sa'yo and if you're earning halimbawa 25 to 30K? Meron kasi sinasabi before dapat daw 30 should go to
Ako,
the
I try to teach
savings.
people mga 30%.
30% would be
Savings na 30%. Then later on, na-build ko yan. Then kakuha ng pang investment. Kaya ako 30% kasi nga, let's be realistic, kailangan mo rin naman gumastos.
buhay.
So 70%
Buhay ka.
20 to 30 is good enough. Kasi over the years, lalaki na naman income mo.
Yes.
So lalaki din yan. Ang issue dyan, hindi yung amount. Ang issue dyan yung percentage. Ang issue dyan yung discipline.
Oo, kasi
So, kung
lumalaki
nag-cha-cha
kita,
ikaw,
lumalaki
Kung
gastos.
nag-start ka, magkano gastos mo? Okay? O kung makikita mo, in the next 5 years, your income probably double. Hindi naman necessarily dapat naging double yung spending mo. Pero kung ganun ka, wala mahirap sa'yo.
So, sumasabay tayo, lifestyle sumasabay. Parang lumaki nakita ko, teka, sasabay ko yung lifestyle ko. Diba? Para
Tuto mag-flex.
Oo.
Tapos yung environment, dami yan.
Tapos di ka natitigil.
Tigit-tigit yan, depende rin sa environment mo, depende rin sa grupo sinasamahan mo.
That's
So
why
lahat yan
grupo
connected yan.
sinasamahan. Environment at grupo sinasamahan. Kasi kung ang lagi mo rin mga sinasamahan, hindi rin
Yes.
magastos,
Oo.
malaki yung chance na hindi ka rin masyado gagastos.
Pag pag-gastos ng mga kaibigan mo,
Wala rin
Wala
kami
rin ka.
tira sa'yo.
Magpalit ka na ng
Pero pag
kaibigan.
magaling, sira ang mga kaibigan mo. Wow.
yeah, very important. You have to do that. Nalala ko yung mga anak ko, sinabi ko about influence of friends. So, sabi niya, Daddy, you should, dapat ba pumili kami ng friends? Parang bakit man ganun? Sabi ko,
pero paano malalaman? Kasi like, when you choose your friends initially,
Alam mo kung pag-gets mo
hindi mo na maisipin na, okay,
Diyan
pipili ako
papasok ang parents.
magaling gumastos to. So,
Alam mo,
sa pera to.
diyan papasok ang parenting, ang parenting. Diyan papasok yan. Kung it's how you raise your children, connected yan. Kaya rin maraming ano eh. Kasi wala naman nag-raise na maayos eh. Ang taas ng ano natin, di ba? Single parents, tas hirap yung nanay. So, lahat yan, it's a social problem.
Okay, so let's get that out of the way. We admit, or we can say that we do have a cultural, social problem. But let's talk about the others. You're a fresh grad, you're starting to make your money, you could be even somewhere midlife, after not your break. You know, sige, let's put aside 30%. Let's talk about, may natabi ka na, let's talk about investing, which is already so complicated. Kasi parang,
Yes.
You start first,
Oo.
sabi you have to start first the discipline of ability to save consistently.
Oo.
Okay.
Na
Kasi
dapat
ang-
every month may ganito ka
Kasi
sila
yung context
save.
ng investment natin is money you're willing to, hindi naman burn,
Oo.
mali yung term na yun, but pag in-invest mo kasi kakalimutan mo yan eh.
correct.
Yan yung idea eh.
Unless
Diba?
you're looking for a